हम जा रहे हैं. We doing kana. We are looking some Faluda.
Food restaurant.
Faluda restaurant. But we're not going restaurant. We are just looking Faluda. Faluda is like halo here. Oh, a lot. Oh my God. A lot of dresses. Ah, my goodness. That's why it's so nice in Italy. Look at that place. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. This is mall. Oh, like, it's like SNR. It's like SNR. Domino's, all things. Wow. A lot of Miniso. There's a Miniso there. Oh, look at this. A lot of lightings now because of Diwali. Oh yeah, it's so nice here. This place, this is just too near in our house, but this place is so good. Look at that. All the shop, all the restaurant is here. But look, we just looking Faluda, and I'm looking for some dresses also. Oh my God, this is hotel maybe. Look at that.
Shop.
Oh, shop. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a gold shop. Jockey. Oh my goodness. Oh, Faluda. Oh, we're not gonna buy here, yeah. Chroma. Oh my God. Ang dami na nilang ano. A lot of lights now because Diwali's come, and then the places is so clean na here. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Arayat. Look at that. Ang gaganda. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's my first time to come here. Oh, there's a Faluda. I check it. Oh, dress. Oh no, I saw it. Here we go. I can buy to Bella like for United UN. Shikanji. There, we're gonna buy this Faluda. How they're making one. This is the like noodles. Oh, yum. This is like halo in ours. And this is this is mango.
Different flavor. Simple one.
Simple.
रबड़ी ये सेवई है पालक ये श्रीखंड है ये सिकंदी है ये केसर है लस्सी है और ये केसर पेठा है
The sweet. Which one? This one?
We buy this one.
What's this?
Rabdi.
This
Cream.
okay?
You can say cream.
Okay, cream. Here we go. Oh, it's yummy, yeah. Look at that, yeah. There's an ice cream.